Hello and thank you for watching my video. Today I'm excited to introduce the dock and collection page and its powerful features. This tab allows you to efficiently manage all your transactions, invoices, and payment-related tasks, all in one convenient place. Let's get started. First up is the invoices and estimate section, where you can create, track, and manage all your invoices for your businesses. Under the All Invoice tab, you can view all your invoices right here. You will see the information such as the invoice name, the invoice number, the customer, the issue date with the amount and that statute for each invoice. When you want to see more information, you can just click on the name to enter this detailed page. You will see the business and customer information. You will see the invoice setting. You will see the product. As you can see here, we have a coffee mug and we have the price, the quantity, the tax, the subtotal. And then you can add also several different items to the chart. And you will see the subtotal and you have the right to do the discount or add tax. You also have a lot of different additional options. Then you will see a demo here. The one you sent to customer will be the same one. You also can do the filter. Then based on specific criteria, we have the filter right here. You can apply the invoice statute, the payment mode to narrow down the invoice you want to see. You also can do that based on the date. You can select the date from beginning to end to focus on the period you want to see. Just top of that, you also can analyze comprehensive statistics to monitor your invoicing performance. You will see the amount in draft, the amount in due, the amount received, the amount with overdue. That will help you to see your business going. Then as you can see here, we have a new tab which can help you to do the new invoice. We have a new invoice. It helps you to send a one-time invoice to the customer right away. You also can do the new recurring invoice to the customer at scheduled intervals. You also can import invoices using CSV file. Let's dive into the first one first. In here, as you can see, you can edit the business information. You can select the customer information. If they're in record, you can search them by the name or the email address. If they're not in record yet, you also can do the add customer right away. You can add their name, email address, and so on. Then we have the invoice setting. The system will help you generate an invoice number to help you identify this invoice. But if you want to do change, it's okay. You can just add it right away. You will also see the issue date, the due date, also the production. You can choose products from your category or add new products to this invoice. Then you will see the subtotal and you can add the discount, add task. You also can add payment schedule. And then you will get a demo for which you're gonna send out to the customer. Next, the new recurring invoice. In here is basically the same. You have all those settings, but you just have one more things to do. You can set up the recurring invoice setting. You can do select how often, select the start date, the end date, also how much days you want to do in advance. Lastly, we have the import invoices using CSV file. In here, you can see the step you need to finish. First, you need to upload the CSV file in format. You can download the sample format CSV file and fill in all the information, then just upload it right here. And then with the system will help you work through step to step to finish the import process. Next, we have a recurring invoices. Right here, you will see all the recurring invoices with the recurring invoices name, the amount, also with the statute. If you have a lot of recurring invoice, you also can use the search bar to see which one you want and do the filter as similar to before. You also can add a new one, the recurring invoice right here. Next, we have the template. The template feature provides ready-made formats for invoice and estimates, helping you maintain consistency and professionals in every document. So basically, if you have the format, you will just see right here for the invoices, also the estimate. You also can add a new template right here. You can edit the product, the business information, and so on. Moving on to the document and contract. This section helps you to store and manage all important financial documents so everything is organized and easy to find. You can search them based on the date, or you can search them based on the title, and you will see the documents with its title, statute, who is the customer, and date modified, also with the value. And you can see the draft and the waiting for another or complete or payment for the category of the document. If you want, you also can create a new document right here by from the scratch or upload existing PDF or import from template library or as you want. Next, we also have a template for the document and the contract. If you have it, you will see it with the title, value, date modified, and you also can narrow down it by the date, also the search bar. You will see we have different categories such as the template, also the public documents. It's just the province different stage. You also can add a new documents right here, same as the before. Moving on to the right, you will see the order and the subscription tab. This tool lets you track customer purchase, manage recurring billing cycle, ensure timely payment with ease. You will see the order, the customer resource item, order date, amount, statute. You will also see the subscription, such as the provider, customer resource, the created, the amount, the statute. It's pretty similar. Another powerful tool is the collection. You can use the payment link feature right here, which allows you to generate secure, shareable link so customer can pay you quickly and easily. No login required. You can just create a new one right here and you will see the one you already created right here. You can see the name, the URL, the statute, the price, also the created date. We can do the demo for created a new payment link. In here, as you can see, you can select the product at the beginning and editor the quantity. Also do a lot of different options as you want. And they offer you the advanced option. You can call to action for payment link bottom. You can do the branding and so on. Then you will see a secure payment page right here. You can put their first name, last name, email, and so on to pay. Next, we have the History tab. In this tab, you can review all payment activity, filter transaction based on the statute, payment mode, source type, and apply them to the history. You can keep eyes on both completed and pending payments right here. You will see the customer, the provider, the source, the transaction date, the amount, the statute for each invoices or payment. Next, we have the products. In here, you can also manage your product in the product page. You will see we have two products in the list. We have the coffee mug, also the communities. You can import the product by the CSV file in here. You can download the simple CSV file and then fill in all the information, then upload it. You also can import from Strip. As you can see, you can do the thing right here. You can add the price, the setup fee, and so on. You also can create a product from scratch. Right here, you can do all the information, such as the product information. You can add the product information, the title, the description, the media for this product. You also can editor the pricing and different color, like offer different option for this product. You also can do the search engine list. In the discount page, you can offer promotional coupons to boost customer engagement and drive more sales. In here, as you can see, we have one test coupon, and you can see the coupon code, the discount, the start date, and the statute of this existing coupon. You also can see the coupon based on their category. The statute of is over or active or scheduled or is already expired. You also can create a coupon right here by filling in their name, the code, the type, the start and end time, also so on. Finally, the setting and the integration tabs let you customize your payment preference, connect to third-party payment gateway, and automation process for a more streamlined and efficient workflow. As you can see, we have integrated with the Stripe, the PayPal, and so on. It will help you simply finish the payment process and offer more option to your customer. Thank you for today. I think that's pretty much for the docs and collections. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.